favorite play area here. That blue line means you gotta be 4 foot or less. So that's what Colin's doing over there. Family is way down there. Can't get any closer with this. Anyway, this is where we're spending almost all of our time, and it is a madhouse here. You have to wait in line for like 20 minutes just to get a chair on the front row, so anyway, we'll walk down and go see the little baby. I've lost Colin. There he is. Get a little monkey cam going. You having fun? Yeah? Oh yeah. And there's the baby getting all fixed up. And Al getting the tan.